good evening. Now we are going to discuss some 5 important questions, LAQs from transformations, trigonometric transformations, which are important for junior intermediate for board of intermediate examination. Let us start this one. So the questions are these 5: cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to, the right hand side is given. All these results are related to a triangle only. Let us consider the first question. The first question is in a triangle ABC is given. In a triangle ABC, since ABC are angles of a triangle, means that a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Whenever some changes are needed, then I will change that. Let us consider the LHS. LHS is equal to cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. What is cos 2a plus 1? So for this one we have to apply the formula cos c plus cos t form. Cos t plus cos t form is 2 cos c plus d by 2. C is 2a plus 2b by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus the third term is cos 2c is as it is. 2 times of cos of 2a plus 2b by 2 means that a plus b. This is cos a minus b plus cos 2c. So from this one a plus b becomes pi minus c, right? Pi minus c. So that implies that 2 cos pi minus c cos a minus b plus cos 2c. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta cos a minus b. So this term should be written in terms of c. That is the main thing. You have to observe that. Because cos 2c has 4 formula. Out of this 4 formula, only one thing is related to the only cos square c terms. What is that? 2 cos square c minus 1. So if you observe that, in the right hand side we need to prove that minus 1. So we got minus 1. And once observe that, we can bring the minus 2 cos c common. What will we have? Cos a minus b minus cos c. So once observe that, from this one we can write pi minus of a plus b. So that is equal to minus 1 minus 2 cos c. If you observe that, in the right hand side we have the terms of 4 cos a cos b cos c. So we got 2 cos c. So this is equal to cos of a minus b minus of cos of, what is c? C is equal to pi minus of a plus b. So that is equal to minus 1 minus 2 cos c times of cos of a minus b cos pi minus theta minus cos theta, minus of minus becomes plus. This is cos of a plus b. Minus 1 minus 2 cos c cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is 2 cos a cos b. You have to remember the formula. So in this video, whenever I tell the formula, just remember that 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. This is equal to right hand side. So easy question only. If you know what we need to prove in the right hand side, then we can go in that direction to get the result. So let us go with the next question. Second one is that the result is the left hand side. What is given here is also we have to consider a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So I am considering LHS here. What is LHS? Cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Let us apply the cos c plus cos d formula for this one. 2 cos c plus d by 2. Here is a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. So cos c should be reminded as it is. Depending on this term, we change the cos c. So a plus b by 2 means that from this one we can write a plus b is equal to pi minus c. That implies that 2 into cos of, what is a plus b? Pi by 2 minus c by 2. Cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos c. So what is cos pi by 2 minus theta? Sin theta. 2 sin c by 2. We should be careful about this step. Here is sine c by 2 means that we have to write this one in terms of sine square. So cos t is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square c by t. 1 is there, 1 can be written here, and we can bring 2 sine c by 2 common. What is that? Cos a minus b by 2 minus sine c by 2. Be careful about that. One, see this one in the right hand side we should have gotten the required value. We have 1 plus 1 is there. Also we have sine c by 2 term. Sine c by 2 is there. So now when this bracket is considered, we don't have any formula for cos minus sine. So we have to convert sine c by 2. From this one we can write c is equal to pi minus of a plus b. So that is 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 times of cos a minus b by 2 minus sine of, what is c by 2? C by 2 is pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 2. So that is equal to 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 times of cos a minus b by 2. Sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. Once observe that 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 into cos difference minus cos sum, 2 sine a by 2 sine b by 2, 1 plus 4 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2, that is equal to right hand side. Let us go with the third question. Third question is here is also a plus b plus c is equal to 180 is given. A plus b plus c is equal to 180. Whatever is needed, I will write that. So I am considering LHS now. LHS is equal to cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Once let us convert something in terms of sine square. One, see that right hand side contains 2 times of 1 plus sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. So I am writing cos square a by 2. Instead of cos square b by 2, I am writing 1 minus sine square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Once observe, this one is written here 1 plus. So cos square a minus sine square b is equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b plus cos square c by 2. 1 plus, again from this one, a plus b is equal to pi minus c. So cos a plus b by 2 means that cos of pi by 2 minus c by 2. So cos pi by 2 minus c by 2 becomes sin c by 2. So this should be written in terms of sine. So if you know the right hand side, well, so this is 1 minus 2 sine square c by 2. 1 is added to this one, so it becomes 2 plus cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 minus sine square c by 2. Can we bring anything common in this one? We can bring sin c by 2 common. What is left here? Cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. So from this one, c is equal to pi minus of a plus b. So c by 2 means that 2 plus sin c by 2 times of cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin of c by 2 means that pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 2. So that is equal to 2 plus sin c by 2 times of cos a minus b by 2 times of sin pi by 2 minus theta cos theta cos a plus b by 2. So apply the transformation. What is that? 2 plus sin c by 2 times of cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 cos a, 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. So bringing 2 common, I have 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. In this one we have to be more careful about the formula. If you know the formula, you can do that well. So we'll go for the next question. Next question is the fourth one. Similarly, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 only. So according to the question, I will change what is useful for us. So let us consider the left hand side, that is equal to sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 minus sine square c by 2. We can follow so many methods in this one. I am going to do so. Writing sine square a by 2 is 1 minus cos square a by 2 minus sine square c by 2. Bringing minus common, this is cos square a by 2 minus sine square b by 2 minus sine square c by 2. 1 minus cos square a minus sine square b is cos a plus b into cos a minus b by 2. Listen to me carefully. Minus sine square c by 2. Once observe that 1 minus sine square c by 2 is cos square c by 2 minus cos a plus b by 2. Or else you can be like that only. Because in the right hand side we need to have 1, right? Keep it this one as it is. So from this one, a plus b is equal to pi minus c. So a plus b by 2 is so bracket is still here. Cos of a plus b by 2 is pi by 2 minus c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 bracket closed minus sine square c by 2. So that is equal to 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus c by 2 is sine c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 minus sine square c by 2. So can we bring anything common in this one? Sine c by 2 common, cos a minus b by 2 minus common in that it becomes plus sine c by 2. Again from this one what we can write? So 1 minus sine c by 2 times of cos of a minus b by 2. What is sine c by 2? Sine of, what is c by 2? Pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 2. So what is this one? 1 minus sine c by 2 times of cos a minus b by 2. Sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta, cos a plus b by 2. Once observe that 1 minus sine c by 2 into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, 2 cos a cos b. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. It is right hand side. Last question, fifth one. Again this is should be somewhat little bit difficult question in this series. A plus b plus c is equal to pi. If we know that, we'll do that easily, sir. LHS is equal to, I'm considering cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2. So once observe that, let us apply the cos c plus cos t form. 2 cos by 2, c plus c is a plus b, a by 2 plus b by 2. 2 cos c minus d by 2, c is a by 2, d is b by 2 plus cos c by 2 is as it is. 2 into cos of, this is a plus b by 4, cos of a minus b by 4 plus c by 2 is there. We want to write cos c by 2 as cos c by 2 can be written as sine of pi by 2 minus c by 2. Am I right, sir? Yes, sir. So from this one, a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Now I am writing that one as 2 cos pi minus c by 4 cos a minus b by 4. Once observe that this is pi by 2 minus c by 2 is pi minus of c by 2 completely. Sin theta formula, 2 sin theta by 2. So pi minus c by 4 cos pi minus c by 4. cos theta is 2 sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Can you bring anything common in this one? 2 cos pi minus c by 4. Once observe the right hand side, we have cos pi minus c by 4 term is there. So that is common. What will we have? Cos b minus c by 4, cos a minus b by 4 plus sin pi minus c by 4. Once observe that we don't have any formula for cos plus sin. So we have to convert one thing in terms of, so I am converting sin in terms of cos. So for that one I am writing cos pi minus b by 4 plus sin theta can be written as cos pi by 2 minus theta, pi minus c by 4. So that is equal to 2 cos pi minus c by 4 times of cos of a minus b by 4 plus cos 2 pi minus pi, what is that, plus c by 4. Am I right? You can take the LCM 4 sir. 2 pi minus pi plus 4 sir. Now this is in the form of cos c plus cos t form. 2 cos pi minus c by 4 as it is. Cos plus cos is 2 cos c plus d by 2. What is c plus d by 2? So a by 4 minus b by 4 plus y by 4 plus c by 4. So pi plus c can be written as or else you can keep like that also. Pi minus c is written as a plus b by 4. Yeah, it is fine. From this step, as I keep it like that, no issues. Let us this. Yeah. Cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So a by 4 minus b by 4 minus pi by 4 minus c by 4 by 2. So we should calculate. That's only simple calculations only. Cos 4 cos pi minus c by 4 times of. Be careful in this one. So 4 LCM sir. So cos of that is equal to, be careful, pi plus a plus c minus b by 8, right? Good. This is equal to cos 4 LCM. This is 8. So that is equal to a minus pi minus of b plus c by 8. So once subtracted 4 cos pi minus c by 4. In the right hand side, once check that, we need to show that cos pi minus a by 4, cos pi minus b by 4 is also there. So once observe that cos of a plus c can be written as pi minus of b, right? So pi plus pi minus of b minus b by 8. Good. This is cos of b plus c can be written as pi minus of a, right? So a minus pi plus a, pi plus a by 8. So this is equal to 4 cos pi minus c by 4 cos 2 pi, 2 common, cancel. This is cos pi minus b by 4. Here is cos of minus theta is cos theta only, bringing minus common, and it becomes cos of pi minus a by 4. That is equal to right hand side.